Imagine waking up after 60 and realizing that the morning boost you once took for granted has slowly faded away, leaving you questioning whether energy, vitality, and confidence are slipping out of your hands. But what if I told you that science-backed secrets hidden in your own body could reignite that morning spark and bring back the erections you thought were gone for good? Because urologists now reveal that 3 specific pressure points, when activated correctly, can naturally stimulate blood flow, improve nerve sensitivity, and restore morning performance without relying on endless pills or risky treatments. And understanding these points could change the way men over 60 experience intimacy and daily vitality. So let's dive deep into why erections decline with age and how you can fight back using methods rooted in both ancient wisdom and modern medical insight. Because as men grow older, testosterone levels drop, blood vessels stiffen, and pelvic floor muscles weaken, all contributing to reduced circulation in the penile region, making morning erections less frequent. But the body has built-in switches that can be turned on again if you know where to press. And the first pressure point urologists point toward is located just below the navel, an area connected directly to your lower abdominal energy and pelvic blood vessels, stimulating this region through gentle circular massage for 3 to 5 minutes. Every morning can encourage better oxygen, delivery, and vascular response to the penile tissue. And this technique is not about pushing hard, but about consistency, because the abdominal region controls the root of your sexual organs, sending signals through the parasympathetic nervous system to relax and open blood vessels. And studies show men who engage in daily abdominal acupressure exercises report improved morning firmness within weeks. The second pressure point lies in the perineum, the sensitive zone between the scrotum and anus, often overlooked but holding immense power, because it directly influences the pelvic floor muscles responsible for maintaining erections, pressing and massaging this point with your fingers, or even sitting on a small massage ball for 2 to 3 minutes daily can activate dormant muscle fibers, strengthen blood flow channels, and improve the quality and duration of morning erections. And what's fascinating is that modern pelvic floor therapy now incorporates this exact technique, proving that what ancient Eastern medicine claimed centuries ago aligns perfectly with today's scientific findings. And the third secret pressure point is located on the inside of the ankle, just above the ankle bone, connected to what acupuncturists call the kidney meridian, which is traditionally linked to sexual energy, vitality, and hormonal balance. Pressing this point for 1 to 2 minutes daily has been found to reduce stress, hormones like cortisol, while supporting testosterone production and blood vessel relaxation, both of which are crucial for morning performance after 60. And when you combine these 3 techniques, the abdominal point, the perineum point, and the ankle point, you essentially activate a circuit that boosts energy, pumps more blood into the pelvic area, and reawakens your body's natural ability to produce spontaneous morning erections. But here's the catch. It only works if you commit to daily practice, just like exercise, because the body adapts slowly and needs repetition to form stronger pathways. So if you start today, within a month you may notice not only firmer mornings, but also improved urinary control, better stamina, and even more confidence in intimate moments. And while pressure points are powerful, they become even more effective when combined with small lifestyle changes like walking at least 20 minutes a day, eating foods rich in omega-3s and antioxidants, and avoiding excessive alcohol or late-night, heavy meals that restrict blood circulation. And think about it. Men in their 60s and 70s who apply these methods don't just regain erections, they regain a sense of youth. A reminder that masculinity doesn't fade with age unless you let it. And urologists emphasize that these techniques are safe, free, and can be done anywhere without equipment, meaning there's no excuse to not try. And imagine the confidence of waking up, feeling that natural morning rise again, a signal from your body that you're alive, strong, and capable. A feeling that carries into your daily energy, your relationships, and your self-esteem. Because sexual health is not just about intimacy, it's about overall vitality, circulation, and hormonal balance. And by stimulating these 3 pressure points, you give your body a natural signal to restore balance and function. So don't wait until the problem worsens. Don't fall into the trap of thinking pills are the only solution, because the truth is your body already holds the key. All you need to do is press in the right place and stay consistent. And if you found this information helpful and want more science-backed tips from urologists on how to reclaim energy, performance, and vitality after 60, Make sure to like this video, share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe to stay updated with natural methods that work.